You are watching the Scandifery channel.
Hello world, I'm Charles Lawlington IV. We're here at the Scandifery channel, are pleased to present something we like to call March of the Faceplanteus.
Hello, I am a leading expert on Parkourious Faceplanteus. Today, with the help of Hunter Wallaby, we will be surveying its natural habitat. From the pool in its backyard, which features eubacteria such as the blue-green algae, and the unicellular protists such as the amoebas that are aquatic in its pool. There's a plethora of life and other interesting things to follow.
Croaky, it's the Parkourious Faceplanteus. Quick, let's get a closer look. We believe that they are human, Homo sapiens, but we're not quite sure. No, with binomial nomenclatures, the genus is capitalized. Good. Now, as you can see, he is salivating. From that we can assume that his diet is mostly consisting of pillows and stuffed animals.
From our observations, we've concluded that it likes to eat things such as this, so we've set up a decoy.
Croaky, good luck, Steve. Croaky, he's coming out of the closet.
Unlike plants, archaebacteria, and eubacteria, which are autotrophic and can make their own food, the Faceplanteus relies on other organisms for food, otherwise known as heterotrophic. You can see this because, given the opportunity to make food for itself, it fails miserably.
Croaky, document herding is a hard work. Oh, and what was that?
As you can see, the first stage of the digestive process begins in the mouth, where mechanical digestion via oral mastication first takes place. Then it travels down his esophagus and into his stomach. From the stomach, chemical digestion via hydrochloric acid also takes place. After the stomach, it moves into his small intestine, where the nutrients is abstracted. Then, after the small intestine, it moves into the large intestine, and from there it goes into the rectum where waste is stored. After that, it is expelled out through the anus. He likes sandwiches, but one of his more favorite foods is fungus, such as mushrooms. Shiitakes, actually. Okay, we're good.
We have set up this trap to see if he likes or is afraid of mushrooms, whether he is fungophilic or fungophobic.
Here we see that the Faceplanteus has contracted a fungal infection from perhaps yeast in his night's earlier ventures. Watch as he writhes in agony. It is most entertaining.
Nom 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 nom.
Not much is known about him, but as you can see, his habitat is almost completely uninhabitable. I mean, not even you or RK bacteria, which as you know live almost everywhere on the earth, could live in there. By God, it's disgusting. You have to be quiet when we go inside, okay? Ah! I stopped my f***ing toe!
As you see here, the Faceplanteus exhibits signs of becoming a virus. It can be considered a virus because it does not exactly exhibit signs of life, as you can see by its vacant expression. You can also consider it a pathogen because it is harmful to its hosts, aka its parents, as it is damaging their wallet and food stocks. Similar to bacteria and other organisms, the Faceplanteus can undergo binary fission under certain circumstances. In this case, it effectively cloned itself to help itself play video games. You can see that his sensory neurons detect the visual stimuli and carry messages to the cells in the central nervous system consisting of his brain and spinal column. From here, the central nervous system sends out signals to the motor neurons, just telling him how exactly to react to the stimuli, which consists mostly of pressing buttons. How this can be done while in such a vegetative state is yet to be determined.
There is.
By his previous actions, we can assume that his circulatory system is not transporting enough blood to his brain. We assume that he has a closed system, and like most mammals, that he has 4 chambered hearts. Fish have 2, amphibians 3, and reptiles and birds also have 4, but there's also evidence that there's a 5th chamber in the Faceplanteus' heart, known as the Chamber of Secrets. Bloodstream is also responsible for transporting hormones.
Leave Brittany alone!
Not those hormones.
I love myself. I want you to love me when I feel down.
Not those
I want
items.
to
The exercise regime of the Faceplanteus is quite similar to the stages of life in bacteria colonies. First, he enters lag phase as he surveys his surroundings and adapts to them. Then, he enters the next phase when his activity level starts to increase from stretching. Then, once his activity level has reached its peak, it flattens out and he performs interesting things. Then, he does something very stupid and he kills himself.
Hi. Thank you for watching our documentary.
Go, Christian,
Oh,
Thank you for watching the Skidefree channel.